What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and on today's episode we're taking a deep dive into SUNLU's PETG in Klein Blue. So one of the things I'm a fan of when it comes to SUNLU is the fact that their bags do have the nice little tabs that are very helpful for actually getting them open. Not every manufacturer chooses to do that, so I'm appreciative. Another thing is the fact that they come with refillable spools, which is always good to see. Anyway, as you know, this here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done, and I will see you at the benchy. Alright, so if you're new here, we always start by printing out a benchy in the generic settings in Bamboo Studios, in this case PETG. Should take a little over an hour, so we're going to go ahead and get that done and basically do all the test prints. So here they are. So yeah, this is the Klein Blue for SUNLU's PETG. It's very nice, deep, rich blue. I enjoy it. Anyway, so the benchy here, no real major issues. Maybe a touch of stringing. And basically nothing really major to write home about. The layer lines were good, which is kind of attributed to the fact that this is a darker color. But other than that, no real major issues, but we're going to see about trying to fix some of that stringing. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This is 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed. Nothing really too major here. Pretty standard, a little bit stronger for the filament than like some of the other ones that I've done. Anyway, the temp tower for this one, probably the best temperature was about 240, maybe 250, but I'm erring on the side of caution here, save a little bit of energy with 240. It ended up being very little stringing, or no stringing, and then very little globbing. I think there was a touch on the 245. Next up is the retraction test. The retraction test turned out very well. No real major issues with that one. Next up, we had the max volumetric speed test. And the max volumetric speed test for this one turned out very well. No real warping or anything like that as we got closer to 28 millimeters per second cubed. Nothing like that. So that's what I'd recommend for the max that you do. Next up, we have the overhang test. The overhang test turned out very well. You do lose a little bit of detail as you get towards 80 degrees, so I'd recommend enabling supports probably around 70%, 75, 70, in case you're needing that finer detail. Anyway, we got those things dialed in, and we're able to rectify some of that stringing, and it turned out well. No other issues there. So usually I'd have a space here for the Amazon or where I ordered it from. Unfortunately, they were out of stock when I was filming or editing this, so just kind of be aware. But about 20 bucks. Anyway, my overall thoughts are this is pretty good for PETG. SUNLU is a very large manufacturer here on the planet, and it works well. If you're looking for a nice deep blue, you can't really go wrong. Anyway, if you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things. It does help the channel. I'm relatively new at this, so I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, this has been Higgins for Legal Automations. Hope to see you on the next episode. Thanks.